Let's go.
Bruh.
And just so you guys can see, these are normally $500. Bring these over to checkout, and they're $189 right now. These are $500. You know how much they are right now? $180. Yeah, there's a shit ton of them over there. How are you? All right, let's see what these ring up at. Do you not want me to use cash? I don't have to. Whatever's easier for you.
Sometimes they ask for a check.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
No, thank you.
Yep. And guys, we just got $1,000 worth of KitchenAid mixers for $300. It doesn't get any easier than this to make money. It's $1,000 worth of product.
To be the first to know about these drops, you can join the free reselling community in the link in my bio.